This video will demonstrate downloading Starport and creating a simple blockchain called Hello World. Refer to the documentation for detailed descriptions of each step. Begin by downloading and installing Starport. Expect this to take some time. Create a directory called Starport, and inside the Starport directory, create another directory called Hello. Inside the Hello directory, run the command for Starport scaffold in the documentation. Once again, expect this to take some time. When the scaffold finishes generating, the blockchain is ready to start. Start the chain with Starport chain serve. The blockchain is running and the console displays URLs that we can use to interact with various components. Open a browser and go to the localhost port 1317 in the hello posts endpoint and see that it's not implemented. Stop the chain so that you can modify it. Scaffold the post query with the command in the documentation. The post query for the Hello World app is scaffolded. The next step is to implement it. You will edit 3 files that were created by scaffolding. The first of these is query.proto. Adjust the protobuf definition as described in the documentation. Next, adjust the Hello Keeper grpc querypost.go to account for the changes that you made in query.proto. Lastly, adjust Hello's module.go to pick up the new query you have created. Restart the chain with Starport chain serve. When the blockchain comes online, return to the browser and see that the blockchain does indeed have an implementation for the posts endpoint.